What's going on YouTube? My name is Make Money Malik and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Now, if you're watching this video, you're lucky. You're very, very lucky because I just went and did a bunch of research, did all of the numbers in order for you to have a full-blown business model live on the internet today. I just figured it out for you. So if you're interested in listening to this, what I need you to do is I need you to hit the like button, I need you to ring the notification bell, and I need you to subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get into the video. I'm sure most of us have already heard about the website that I'm about to give you, and it's called Fiverr. Fiverr is a place freelancers go that they provide their own personal services and they charge for it and they get money off of it. This is where a lot of online entrepreneurs start their first businesses and then grow them into full-time positions. That's what we're going to do today. I'm going to give you the business model that you can start with that will give you the money that you need in order to actually have a long-term, more profitable business later in your entrepreneur career, okay? Here's the secret. We're going to remove the backgrounds on people's photos for them. This sounds so simple, and it sounds a little more difficult than it actually is, but I have found a cheat code that you can use in order to accomplish this on any photo, no matter how busy it is, on any photo, in less than a minute. I promise you. And we're going to show you how, all right? So we're going to go over here and we're going to say remove photo. Oh, no, we're going to say remove background. Remove background from image is the service we're looking for. Now, as you can see, this is not a brand new idea. It doesn't have to be, right? It doesn't have to be a brand new idea. They're charging $5 for this. Most everyone is charging about $5 to remove the background on these images. Okay, you can hire any of these people. Any of these people. Now, what you don't know is that most of these people, they're using Photoshop. Adobe. They're using Photoshop to take the background off of all these images, which is a very proper way to do it. It's a very efficient way to do it. It's a very professional way to do it. A lot of these are graphic designers who do this on the side from their regular graphic design job, or they're doing it on the side to hone their skills to be a full-time graphic designer. You don't have to worry about any of that. We don't have to go to school for graphic design. We don't have to know how to work Photoshop in order to do this. It's a thing of the past. There are so many other ways for us to accomplish this. And I'm going to show you one of them. Just one, because it's brilliant. You don't need anything else. But this is just proof of product, right? Usually some people say, oh, you should try to create your own lane. You should try to do something that not everyone else is doing. The thought process I have behind that is, listen, if there's competition, there means there's money. If there's competition in what you're doing, there's also money in what you're doing. If there wasn't money in it, then a bunch of other people wouldn't be trying to do it as well. Okay, if you go to a lane that's less populated, you don't know if it's a very profitable lane. If it's not populated, then how do you know you can make money over there? How can you just create something or try to make your own way through a business model and it hasn't been proven yet? You know, that's a bad investment. This method I'm showing you is proven. It's already been proved. There are people on here right now doing this. There are a bunch of people. They have pages and pages of people just removing the background off of photos. This is a working, profitable business model already. All I'm here to do is I'm here to teach you and show you how you could use this profitable business model and make some money yourself. That's it. And if you really don't want to go this route, stick to the end of the video and I'm going to tell you how you can make even more money doing business online. Long-term, financial, beneficial money that can change your life forever. But let's stick with this for right now. And then if you're not interested in this by the time I finish it, then we'll switch over to that. But I have to show you this because it's going to blow your mind. So again, like I said, people use Photoshop for this kind of thing. We don't need Photoshop, all right? We have a website that we can go to called Clipping Magic. Clipping Magic is a website specifically made to remove the background off of images. And you don't need to download any extra software. You can do it all in the website, right? Look, we go down. They have a seamless editor, right? They have auto clip AI, artificial intelligence, for those that may not know what AI is, right? So the computer does all the work for you. Now, Adobe Photoshop costs money. It costs like 10 or 15 or 20 bucks. If you get the whole suite, it's like 50 bucks per month or something. It's like a bill. It's an actual bill. All right. You can do this on this website for way less than that. Way less than that. Look, it looks professional. See this? This was the original photo. Boom. Brought it over here. It's like it wasn't even there. It's like, it looks like a stock photo app. It looks very, very real. It looks like we just took this, you know? Right? Look at all this. Now think about it. Say you got someone on your Fiverr account and they say, hey, I need 20 earrings for my, Etsy shop, but I need you to take the background off of them. 5 times 20, you just made $100 just taking the background off of earring pictures. And it didn't take you that. It's not going to take you that long. I promise you. It's not going to take you a long time to do this with this website. It's going to be so fast. It takes literally less than a minute to do this. And you don't have any bulky Creative Cloud downloads that you have to have. You don't have any applications to go up to. You can just go to the website, type it in, upload the photo, right? You upload the photo, you draw a couple lines, you use the seamless editor, you check it out and you download it. That's it. You download it. It's that easy. Look at this. You can even get super technical if you want to. They have all the capabilities of Photoshop, just way simpler. Way simpler. These are the little drawings. So what you would do, see the green mark right here? The green mark says, I want to keep this part of the photo. So you would take the picture of the earrings or the person or whatever you're getting hired for, and you would mark it green. You don't have to color the entire thing. You just mark it green, and then you take what you don't want, which is the background, and you just mark it red. You'll probably do a little bit more of the red than this is showing you right here, but you mark it red, color it up a little bit, you press the button, and boom, it comes out like this. It's the easiest money in the world. I don't understand why you would even put down this idea. I'm doing all of this work for you. All right. People, I don't know if you've used Photoshop before, but there's hundreds of videos on YouTube of professional graphic design people telling you how to remove the hair in photos properly, because when you remove the background, sometimes you remove the hair, and it's great. It's a whole complex thing. It's a really complex situation they got going on over there. But they're like hour-long videos explaining exactly how to remove the hair out of photos. Bruh, all you got to do is go to this website. Like, you shouldn't overcomplicate this for yourself. This is so easy and simple. This is the easiest thing in the world. They have everything covered. No matter what job books you to remove the backgrounds, you're going to be able to do it with this website. It's very, very easy. Look, they even say they're better than Photoshop. Come on. Like, this is brilliant. I'm giving you so much game right now. Okay, listen. Let me stop just gassing this up. I know it's not my idea, but I'm giving this to you, and I just think you should really take it. I see an opportunity to make a lot of money doing this. Okay, and it's really easy. Now, here's the thing that's gonna get some of you uninterested in it. It's not free. This website that I'm showing you, that I'm scrolling through right now, it's not free. There is a price point. You have to subscribe to it. But listen, I'm going to show you something. Let's go to the prices really fast. These are the plans they offer. You can go light, standard, or pro, okay? 15 credits a month for the light, 100 credits a month for the standard, and the 500 credits for the pro, okay? $3.99. Let's say, listen, just wait for it. I'm going to explain it to you. Let's say you do the $3.99 a month, okay? So you invest $4 per month into your business model. Let's get one thing straight. In order to make money, you have to spend money. Scared money doesn't make any money. So you have to invest in yourself or invest in a product in order to see a return. All right. We call it flipping. You have to flip it. They flip houses. They flip products. They flip resources. They flip things. Okay. You're supposed to spend $10 and get $100 back. That's the way you make money. That's called the profit. So let's get that out the way. In order to make real money, you're going to have to spend money. And the amount of money you spend is going to determine how much money you get back. All right. Let's go for the $3.99 though, because look, we're only charging $5 for the service. So $3.99 a month gives you 15 credits. You can use the product 15 times. Okay. 5 times 15 is $75. So you charge 15 customers, 15 clients, $5, and you make $75. But you spent $4. So you just made a profit of about $70 per month. Now, if you were to go to standard, you can increase those odds. And if you were to go to pro, you can increase those odds. You have to put in a little bit of money to make a whole lot out. That's just how it goes, okay? I don't see where you could go wrong with this product. I don't see. This is a great business model. You should definitely use it, okay? So what you would do is you would sign up for this program. You sign up for this website. You subscribe, okay? And in order to get the final image, you have to subscribe, okay? So you can't use it. You can use it without subscribing, but you can't get the final product. You can't get the final image without the background to give to your client afterwards, before you subscribe, okay? Now, if Photoshop is way more expensive than this. So you can do Photoshop and pay more money than this and have to learn Photoshop and all the buttons and everything. Or you can spend $4 and make $70. Or if you spend more here and grab one of the other subscriptions, you can make more money. It's a great way. It's a great way to go about it. I think you should really take up on the offer. Now, if you're still not interested in that and you're just like, this isn't enough money for me to really put my time and energy towards, I totally understand that. Okay, you're in a different position, and if that's you saying that while watching this video, I have a proposition. If you click the link in my description, the first link in my description, I'm gonna teach you my number one method of making money online. It's profitable, it's long term, it's sustainable, and it could change your life forever. Now, it's going to be much more difficult than this. I'm giving you a very simple way to make money online just to inspire you, because you could go to this Fiverr thing, you could get a subscription, you could come up with this business model, and along the way, you could come up with a better idea, and then that can take off for you in another account somewhere. That's great. But what I'm talking about is real life-changing methods of making money online and making money while you sleep. This is something that's going to take time and energy that you really don't want to spend on something that you don't love, something that you're not passionate about. I would much rather be spending my time with loved ones or doing things that I really enjoy, right? And I want to be making money at the same time, though. And what I'm talking about is exactly that. What I'm talking about is going to make you money online while you sleep and give you the freedom to quit that 9-to-5 job that you have, to stop listening to that boss you can't stand, and make a true difference in the way you live your life. And you want freedom to do what you want when you want to do? Click the link in my description and let's change your life. My name is Make Money Malik. Be sure to ring the notification bell, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next video. Peace.